Hello, this is Activity Vlog. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to the restaurant for to celebrate our brother Jake's 50th birthday. So stay tuned with me. We'll see what's going on over there.
Wala tayong magagawa. Gandahan mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Mata.
Eto, number 1. Mauna daw yung mga unang dumating. Table number 1? Hindi na. Mauna yung unang dumating, ha?
Wala kailangan igamit ka pa.
Mauna muna sila kasi
Yan pala may daanan. Walang senior dito ngayon.
Huwag yung damay dyan.
anong senior?
Huwag yung damay dyan.
Are you speaking to me?
Kaya yung minus 40. Sa loob ka ng sasakyan.
Sana kanina. Kasi kakain ako ng marami pasta. Yung pasta ko, nabawasan ko. Kasi nagkanin siya. Saan ba marami?
Pas muna ako dyan.
Pasta na.
Hindi ko pa natin nagagawin dito. Magkakaroon mo masarap. Ano naman isip mo? Tanong ka. Umalis na siguro.
Is it live?
No, it's not. Not.
You can resume. Who would like to start?
Ikaw yung nag-umpisa eh. Naghanap ka pa. Ikaw yung promotor.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Holding pronto, so you have to, say it. No plan. But of course, this is live. Yung I can say is, siya, parang seryoso siya at saka really faithful, and I
Kanino?
really faithful to wife and to God. But first to God first, right? God and to Ate Sophia.
Para bumibigay ka na, bro.
For one day lang naman, malito ka na isang araw lang.
Yeah, so
Sino daw nag-honor? Samsung ka. So, next.
When we came to Canada, we don't know anyone.
Uy,
in
English.
MFC. It's like this. We were in the apartment. We were looking for anyone from MFC.
Pwede naman.
Pwede rin naman umupo.
Upo ka na. Hindi ko matandaan kung paano kami unang nag-podcast. Tandaan, regular batalya. O ikaw ang kausap ko, siya wala. Ito nandito ngayon, parang ito yung family talaga namin. At si Jake yung panganay namin. Kasi wala kami anak dito nung kami kami. So,
Hindi ko naman ginagawa. Si Brad, sabay-sabay dumating dito sa Canada. So, sa Pilipinas pa lang, nakikita na may grupo eh. Kahit sa kan, Brad, the best ka, Brad. At saka, masarap kasama nga. Ano ba? Masarap kasama.
Short and sweet. So, if you didn't know this, Brother Jake is also my ninong Jake from our wedding. He was our first household leader for the young couples. And he's a big reason of why the young couples are thriving today. And it's because he was the very first young couple house servants for the Bolaxos, for the Cuban, for the Manzanos, for the Castros, and for the Nobles. And he just really paved the way for us. So, just like all of you have said, huge inspiration. But the one thing that I find...
Wala nang iba.
Wala namang kikinig sa akin.
Boring.
Filled with, wisdom and kindness to all of us. So, happy 50th birthday. And God continue to bless you. You know that you bless us. So, you share to us too. Thank you for everything.
So, we've known Brother Jake sa ano lang eh, parang acquaintance lang before nung nag-start din kami sa MFC. Pasunod na lang kami. And then, hindi ko makakalimutan kasi they known as, ayun yung mga taga-Italy. Yun ang mga sa amin.
ako na Davao ang mga
Winner ng aming table. First nung bago kami sa the community, may household kami sa bahay. That was December. And then sabi, pupunta si Brother Jake at si Sister Pia. Sabi ko, sino si Brother Jake? Sino si Sister Pia? Oh, yun yung winner natin. Sabi ko, parang hindi ko maano kung sino kayo. Ano yung ano nyo? Then one time, pumunta kami sa may Bay at Ayaw or something. Nakita kita si Sister Pia. And I said, oh, sino siya? Kasi sabi ko, maganda siya, sino siya? And then sabi, oh, si Sister Pia, asawa ni Brother Jake. Oh, okay, ano ko na si Brother Jake. Okay, ito si Brother Jake. But anyway, yun yung start, nakilala ko na sila. At saka nakita ko talaga na, and maraming salamat Brother Jake. And today is your birthday, it's your 50th birthday. You're so blessed with all these years that God has given you. And, you know, God is so gracious to you, giving you good health, all the blessings that you have in family and all the community around you, loving you, and, become your family, become your friends, and, we're going together as one family. I pray that...
Yung mga nag-ano niya.
Kala ko mag-propose.
Okay. Nung bago dating kami dito, narinig ko pangalan ni Brother Jake, hindi sa NSC, so siya ay...
Sa lipstick.
Organize ng basketball ba? Si Brother Jake, nag-organize ng basketball yun. Then, first time na nakarating ako sa inyo. Brother Jake, salamat sa pagdating. Salamat.
Hindi ko alam kung paano. Sinabi nyo na lahat yung dapat ko sabihin. Kaya...
Ano yung sinabi namin?
Ulitin ko na lang.
Parang kinakalo ko yan bro ah.
Parang dagat.
English okay, Alan.
Ayun, gusto salang inisip ko kaya lang may... Papawisan lang siya. Ano ba English? Yung English yung parang araw. Hindi.
Napakabuti nga iyan. Ako ano ba yan? Hindi kasi, kung hindi mo alam, brothers and sisters, kasama namin sila nagsimula. At sa pagsisimula, every step, bakit ako umiyak? Masaya. Na, alam nyo, nung una, ganun kami, kasama nag-navigate, nagsisimula, hanggang sa nung bumili ng bahay. Sila din, ganyan, sila yung nag-encourage. Nag-encourage ako kagabi. Kasi alam nyo, lahat talaga, lahat ng gusto namin umpisahan, napaka-encouraging niya. Basta hindi siya nanghihikayat. Service namin sa community, napaka-encouraging nila. Hindi yung, alam mo yun, lahat ng sinabi mo. Napakagandang event flow, walang masamang tinapay. Alam nyo, wala siyang masasabing masama.
Yeah, all the kind words and wondering, overwhelming, no? Wala. Kamusta Lubias ako? Ayaw ko nang mag-party. Ayaw ko rin. But it happens. As much as I wanted to take it all, it's wondering, it's all out there. Thank you. I'm not playing favorites. Pero ito talaga yun. Pero, yeah. So, then, you have played, either, all of you have played the roles sa ginagawa natin para sa Diyos. Sa malapit sa Pilipinas. Pero all the words that you have told me, salamat po sa kind words. I don't want to take any credit for all of it. No? I really enjoy myself. Working my head. Ito natin yung Bible na. Tagal ako nagbabasa ng Bible, pero I never really get into look sa Magnificat. Hindi ko masyado napapansin ang Magnificat. When I saw Magnificat, siya yung naging driving ako. Parang so, I wanna be like that. So, I wanna, gusto ko yung soul call Magnificat. And, yun lang po ang driving force ko talaga sa lahat. Okay, there's pride, we just got pride when I make decisions. Alam ko mali natin. Mali na yun. I'm not gonna follow it. Some compromise sa kanag-decision ako sa ginagawa natin, sa pamilya ko. Sa kaibigan ko na hindi na guys. So, gusto ko lang sa akin. Wala ko kami disagreement. There's little pride on it. But that's all about it. Hindi ko naman maaari. I know may mali. Happy to serve the gospel. But anyway, siguro ay mali lang yung family namin kasi kahit bigger family. Ito sa praise and thank God. Patuloy you all sa buhay namin ko. This work sa ginagawa natin. Natin natin in others' lives kung paano sila gano'n sa gospel. That's all. Yun lang naman eh. Yun lang naman lagi yung goal. Lagi yung dapat. Dito ba na we're not doing this kasi it feels good. Kasi it feels good to do good. Salamat. Lapit ang lahat ng tao sa Diyos. Makilala ang Diyos. And then, as they go. Salamat sa inyo. Thank you for being here. It's so cold. Pero you were all here. Masaya ako na meron tayong konting I'm so happy to see all of you.
Anong feeling sa 50?
Feeling niya.
Parang yung 18 pa rin.
Oo nga!
Mamaya.
Sige, mamaya. Closing.
Kung parang inis ito eh. Nainis ako sa kanya kasi alam mo yun, sobrang yung prinsipyo niya, yung pag mali, yung ganun. Parang kailangan ko bang, minsan kailangan ko ipaglaban. Pero I think that's one way God is telling me na
Ikaw maniligaw.
hindi. Parang sabi ko, 50 matanda na. Parang ganun, di ba? Pero hindi, ganun pa rin pala.
Parang 51 lang.
Siguro iyan yung binigay ni Lord sa kanya na, ewan ko, parang, di ba? Yun lang, happy birthday.
TV.
Ay, mamaya. Birthday boy, Ay, dance with you! Alak pa! Parang pwede.
Ay, no, Brad. Ay, tawag. Sabi niya.